Okay, students of class 5, today let's see the other question of exercise 7b. Question number 2, you have to add the following without using the number line. Now, as in the previous question, question number 1, we had added smaller numbers on the number line, and here we are asked to add slightly bigger numbers without using the number line. So first one, plus 34 and plus 9, we have to add them. So we'll write them as they are. Then place of and we'll put plus sign, and since here inside the bracket already plus is there, so plus into plus is going to be plus only. So both are positive numbers, you have to add both the positives. So answer will be positive only. 34 plus 9 is 43. So the answer is plus 43. Now whenever we have a plus sign in front of a number, then while writing that number we may omit the plus sign and it may be written directly as 43. So plus 43 can be written as 43. So 43 is the answer. When both are positive, so you have to add them and sign will be positive. If both are negative, like in question number C, when both are negative and you are adding both negative integers, so you will have to add both of them, but the sign will be negative. That is the difference. You see here, both are positive, you will add them, but sign will be positive. If both are negative, again we will add them, but the sign will be negative. And how to write? These are the steps. Like minus 23 added with minus 45. So minus 23 plus in the bracket minus 45. Now if you leave the bracket, there will be two different signs, plus and minus. So to separate the two signs, we use the bracket. So plus and then bracket minus 45. Now when you open the bracket, plus into minus is always minus. So plus into minus is always minus. Okay, so sign will be minus 45. Now when both the integers are negative, minus 23 and minus 45, so we will add both of them and we will put the minus sign. When both are positive, again we will add both of them and sign will be positive, or we may write without sign. Without sign also means positive, but if it is negative, we have to use minus sign to show that it is negative. If you don't put minus sign, then it will mean that this is positive. Okay, next one, number B, 16 and minus 4. So we have to add positive number with a negative integer. So positive integer with negative integer, whenever you are adding, then that means subtraction. Okay, if two integers are there, if one is positive and the other is negative, then always we have to subtract. So from the bigger one subtract the smaller one, we get 12 here, and since bigger one has positive sign, the sign will be positive. So positive 12 now can be written as simply 12. We may omit the positive, that means plus sign, and write directly 12. And when you write 12, it means positive 12. Okay, so this is how you will do these questions. Question number 2, try to complete them. 3 I have shown here, the next 3 you can do yourself, try yourself. So thank you.